Hello all, welcome back to the Coding Art. Today we'll see Redis. Your app needs data fast. User, application, database. Repeated database request can be become slow. Here's come Redis. Redis is an in-memory data store with store data in jar. Keep frequent needed data in jar. Why Redis? Why Redis is so fast? Because instead of storing in database, it's stored in local memory, which return response very fast, lower latency. Real life example. For example, there is a food delivery app, user Redis and Menditum. First request goes to the Redis. If not found, goes to the database and request responds to the user. And next time the request come to the Redis and Redis return the response. Too fast, right? So Redis used in at real world app at scale like Netflix, Uber, Apna, and many more for caching, queuing, session, and real-time workloads. What's the impact? Faster response time, higher throughput, less load on the database, and better user experience. Why do we need Redis? Because every request goes to the DB, which will be the worst, instead of frequent data into the Redis. Advantages? There are tons of advantages, extremely fast, keep key value access, and there are some disadvantages as well. RAM is more expensive than Redis. Redis in one sentence. Redis is equals to fast plus in-memory plus real-time. Use it when speed and low latency matter. Keep it in mind. Redis is equals to. Okay. Thank you for watching.